welcome back to your yoga practice. My name is Jess, and today's video will be a breathing meditation video. I will be taking you through a body scan meditation, and then we will finish with some diaphragmatic breathing. And diaphragmatic breathing is very simple, but it has so many benefits for us. Our diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that sits a little above the belly button, but below the breastbone. And as it expands and it contracts, it has the ability to massage this bundle of nerves that runs along behind it, which is your vagus nerve system. And the vagus nerves are responsible for your rest and digest system. So this diaphragmatic breathing, although simple, can help with digestion. It can help with calming any anxious thoughts or tendencies. And this is a really great breathing meditation to do maybe before bed or if you have a little bit of anxiety. Let's get to it. I'm going to start laying down because I find that it's easy to access the diaphragmatic breathing from that place. You can start in a seat if you like, or just make your way into a nice reclined position. And just really get comfy cozy. We'll start by taking a nice deep breath in through your nose. And then just opening your mouth, sighing it out. We'll take another one of those and sigh it out. The next time you exhale, allow your eyes to close down. And begin to rest your awareness on the weight of your body against the earth. We'll guide your awareness to your very tippy toes. Your big toes, allow them to soften and relax. And then the tops of your feet, feeling heavy. The bottoms of your feet, no need to hold you up. They can rest. Bringing your awareness now up to your ankles and allowing them to relax. Bringing this relaxed sensation up through your shins and to your knees. And then allowing your thighs to completely melt, becoming heavier and heavier. Nothing engaged, everything soft. Allowing your awareness to shift to your pelvis and your very low abdomen. Allow a heaviness to take over that part of your body. And allow the back of your pelvis to sink into the earth beneath you. Allowing your belly to become soft and your rib cage to melt down, or maybe it flares open. Whatever feels the most natural and the most relaxed. Guiding your awareness now to the center of your heart space and allowing the center of your heart space to melt into the back of your heart space. And the back of your heart space to sink down into the earth. Allowing your shoulders to spread wide on the earth beneath you. And your collarbones to open. Allowing a sense of safety and peace to rush in. Your fingertips feeling soft, warm, and relaxed. The center of your palms restful, up into your wrists, your forearms and your elbows. Your biceps soften even deeper. And the front of your neck completely melting to the back of your neck. Allow the very back of your teeth to unclench and your jaw to maybe unhinge a little bit, allowing your lips to part. Your tongue will soften, your cheeks, and your eyes become heavy, heavy, resting into the back of your skull. The skin on your forehead and the skin around the soft palate of your eyes softens. And your scalp completely relaxes. Allowing yourself to exist here in whatever way you're existing. Allowing yourself to rest here in any sensations that you're feeling. Begin to guide your awareness down to your diaphragm, a few inches above your belly button, right along the bottom of your ribs. And just notice as you breathe, is there a gentle movement where your diaphragm is? As you inhale, see if you can expand the band of the diaphragm, the upper belly. And as you exhale, see if you can draw it in, together, and down a little bit. Hold that contraction. And then as you inhale, almost automatically, allow your diaphragm and your belly to expand. As you exhale, draw it together, down and in, holding at the bottom of your exhale. Inhaling, automatically rising, opening, expanding. Exhale, drawing together, in and down, holding here with that sensation of contracting. Inhaling, allowing the filling of the belly, the expansion. Exhaling, closing it down, contracting, and holding at the bottom of your exhale. Inhaling, expand. Exhaling, contract. And hold. I'm going to leave you in silence now for a few moments. Continue this diaphragmatic breathing on your own pace. laying your awareness on each breath, on each contraction, on each hold. Allowing yourself to take a full deep inhale all the way to the crown of your head, expanding. Open your mouth, sigh out. One more just like that, inhaling fully, expansively. Opening your mouth, sighing out. Begin to bring your awareness back to the parts of your body that are making contact with the earth, to the sounds in the room. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes and come on back. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. I hope this short breathing meditation helps you to feel more grounded and peaceful in your life. If you did enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel and we can grow our YouTube family. If you'd like to find me off of YouTube, my website is jrockyoga.com and my Instagram is @jrockyoga. I will see you next time. Have a beautiful day.